Hello guys, today I will show you a gems and tokens glitch for stumbleguys. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the gems shop for free, so just make sure to follow my steps. First, go to this website, get.vgame.com. Then search for stumbleguys gems, and click on it. This is the tool that we are using to get our gems and tokens for no charge. So, we will type our game username as you see. Then click continue. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. For me, I'll choose 5,000 gems with 275 tokens. So it says that we have to unlock our gems manually. So click unlock now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our stumbleguys gems and tokens. So we have to complete these 2 offers. I will finish them and I will be back. After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the gems and tokens as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 5,000 gems with 275 tokens. So just follow all these steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you.